Hey, I just got these two products to prepare for school. The first product I got is the wireless keyboard for my iPad, and then the second product is a stylus pen, which looks like this. Now I'm going to unbox both of them. So let's start with the wireless keyboard first. Here I'm gonna open the wireless keyboard box. This is what it came in. Our user guide to the other side to see the English words. This is what it looks like. Ooh, this is kind of cool. Just so you guys know, the feel of this case is kind of like leather. I highly doubt it's real leather, but it does have a nice touch to it. This is where I'm going to put my iPad in. So I just found my 6th generation iPad. This is what it looks like. I'm going to insert it into the wireless keyboard case. If you look all the way inside, you'll see that there's like Velcro for the strap to connect to, and that's it. This is how your iPad's gonna be secure and it won't fall. Yay, I did it! First, I'm gonna turn it on. There's a blue button shown right here. And then I'm assuming I need to connect with the Bluetooth on my iPad. Now I'm gonna go to settings, Bluetooth. It should be able to detect the keyboard. Connect. Okay, and this is where it pops up on the screen. Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard, tap on that. Oh, and I guess that's it. It's connected already. That was fast, okay. I'm going to the Notes app and I'm going to type and test this out. My name is Emmy. Seems like the keyboard is working. When type in the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers works. I'm going to enter caps. My name is Emmy. That works. Symbols, comma, period, slash, colon, semicolon. Actually, that was the opposite. Whoops. Exclamation marks. Seems like everything works perfectly fine. Oh my gosh, guys, I just learned something new. So while I was fidgeting with the wireless keyboard case, I realized that I can actually detach the keyboard. So because I can detach the wireless keyboard, I can position however I want it to be. So let's say if I want it to be closer to the bottom here. Oh my gosh, this whole time I kept on putting it right here. I was like, girl, what is going on here? But anyways, I learned something new. Okay, because I'm able to detach it, that's a great thing, right? That means that it can operate like a typical iPad case. As you can see here, everything is closed and shut, and there's a magnetic flap, so that definitely secures the iPad even more. After playing around with the wireless keyboard, it actually feels more like a mini laptop now. I definitely recommend this. It's very user-friendly. I like how the fact that it connected to Bluetooth instantly, as you guys saw. It's very secure, and if you were to drop your iPad, I feel like it will protect your screen. So you guys need to make sure that this USB charger has the same hole and it can connect, you know. Ta-da! This is how you do it. And make sure you charge your keyboard. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna review the second product, which is the Stylus Pen for my iPad. This is the product that I got from Amazon. This is called a Superfine Nib. It's very skinny. This is a charger for the pen. I wonder if it's on right now. Oh, it's on! Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, guys. So the Stylus Pen does not require Bluetooth. Yo, am I tripping? Now that we know that you can use a stylus with Bluetooth, that's even better. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Keyboard down. And then I'm gonna select the drawing icon, press green, and I'm just gonna draw. Let's see if I can write it too. French fries. Ta-da! Everything that I'm drawing is mimicking of how you would use a pen or pencil. With this Stylus pen, it's very easy to use. I would definitely recommend these two products. It's very user-friendly and you can always charge afterwards whenever you guys are done using it. In order to charge your stylus, you just need to open this up and then you're gonna insert this micro USB in as well. That's it. Also, there's one feature that I think is really cool about the Stylus Pen is the fact that it is magnetic as well. So you can always put it on your wireless keyboard case. See? There's like some magnetic force in there. And then one last thing that I want to tell you guys is that with the Stylus Pen, you can also put it on the slot of the iPad case. So I'll show you. Insert it here. And then I'm going to just close my iPad. And this is what it looks like. So it's very convenient, simple, user-friendly, very easy to understand. So I highly recommend these two products. It's great for studying, note-taking, and to just bring to school. But yeah.